What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And if you are looking for the best travel agent schools online, stay tuned. I have a presentation that I want to share with you that can show you the best certification and best training possible. Okay, so right quick, stay tuned. I'm gonna share a video with you that's gonna share with you the back office of a program that I'm affiliated with that's gonna show you the best training. So if you're serious about becoming a travel agent online, I'm gonna show you step-by-step process that you can take to become a certified travel agent in your area. Okay, so don't worry about trying to go to a physical school, because you have everything you need up under one umbrella to become a certified travel agent. So this is what you need to do right now. Watch this video that I'm about to share with you right now and learn how these trainings and the process works, where you can learn how to be a travel agent. Okay, so here's that video right now. All right. What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And today we're going to talk about the best travel agent certification and how you can get certified and become a certified travel agent. And I want to put you guys on a company called Inteletravel. Reason being is that's the quickest way that you can get certified, by joining a host travel agency. Once you get started with Inteletravel, you immediately have access to book travel for your friends and family, so you immediately become certified. However, there are ongoing training that you can take to further your certification. So I'm going to show you guys the back office of Inteletravel, so why I consider it to be the best. Okay, so I'm going to log in here. Alright guys, so this is the back office of Inteletravel. So once you get started with Inteletravel, like I said, you immediately have access to book and sell travel. So you don't have to wait for certain things of that nature. You automatically have your own website and have everything you need at your fingertips to book travel for your clients. Now, as far as the certification goes, like I said, you immediately become certified as soon as you enroll, because you're up under a host agency. Okay, even though you got your own travel agency, you're up under a host agency, which will give you immediate access. So they have pretty much already done the legwork for you. Now let's talk about education. So even though you're new to the travel industry, you still have to go through education. So right here we got the Inteletravel University. They have tons of education that can further your travel agency certification. They have a lot of things you can attend. We got webinars. We have an online academy that you can take to educate you more on the travel agency industry, as well as how to get your CLIA card. Okay, this is your cruise certification that you can get through joining Inteletravel. So they show you everything you need to know step by step on how to get the best travel agent experience. So as far as getting started, they have tons of training videos, okay, in the back office that can teach you step by step how to quick start your business, how to operate your website, how to use certain business materials, how to get with all the major suppliers to make sure your clients have the best travel experience at the best travel rates, marketing plan, show you how to brand yourself, how to follow up with your clients, quizzes you can take to make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so guys, you're not in this business by yourself. You have a ton of support and training that can help you step by step. Okay, so there has a lot of step-by-step videos. If you click certain one of these videos, another video will pop up, and they show you how to do cruises, how to book hotel reservations, everything you need to know about the travel industry. So guys, even though you become certified immediately, you still need to do your ongoing training so you can get further education. So this is one of the best ways to get certified and do it quickly, by joining a host agency such as Inteletravel. Inteletravel is one of the best ones from my experience. Everything is easy to follow, step by step, and very, very time efficient. So guys, if you're serious about joining the travel business, Inteletravel has you covered. They also have Tour library, where you can learn about different vendors. You can learn about how to do family travel, hotel and resorts, ski vacations, Here's all the suppliers that you have access to, and they show you got training on each one of them. You have Royal Caribbean, you got Carnival Cruises, you got Celebrity Cruises, you have Oceania Cruises, Disney, GoGo Vacations, Insight Vacations, Norwegian Cruises, FunJet, Southwest Vacations, other Travel Insured, Club Med, have tons of suppliers they show you, and a host of others. So guys, they have tons of training on each supplier, step-by-step video. So if you're interested in doing Disney vacations and Disney cruises, step-by-step videos to show you how to have the best Disney travel experience for your clients. Okay guys, so everything here in the back office at your fingertips. They have education on each supplier as well. They got special interest courses you can take, affiliate organization supplier courses. Let's click on that one. So if you're interested in getting your certification at the Marriott, they have some courses you can take to get Marriott discounts for your clients. Crystal Cruises Academy, they have college Disney knowledge. Tons of training and courses you can take to make sure you have the best travel experience. Now, you don't need all of this to get started right away, but however, ongoing, you have access to everything you need. So guys, picture a one-stop shop for travel, and Inteletravel has you covered. So I just want to give you guys a brief overview of Inteletravel back office. So if you're looking for the best travel agency certification and you really want to get started quick, Inteletravel has you covered. But anyway, if you want to learn more about Inteletravel, there's a presentation I would love for you to watch. You can watch that presentation by clicking the link below this video, and I will see you guys on the other side. If you have any questions, please comment, reach out to us. Me and Yamika will be gladly and proud to help you out. Okay guys, so remember to click that link below, watch that free presentation to learn more about the best travel agent certification through Inteletravel. Alright guys, I will see you guys on the next video. See you on the other side. Be blessed. Bye bye.